Discover the pinnacle of interactive technology with the finest interactive smartboards available. These cutting-edge devices redefine collaboration, education, and presentations. Designed to enhance engagement and productivity, the best interactive smartboards offer a seamless and immersive experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best interactive smartboards you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Vibe S 155-inch smartboard, a game-changer in the world of interactive smartboards. Ranked as the 5th best in its class, this cutting-edge device takes collaboration and productivity to a whole new level. With its expansive 55-inch screen and an impressive max screen resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, the Vibe S1 delivers crystal-clear visuals that captivate your audience. But it's more than just a display. It's a complete collaboration solution. Vibe seamlessly combines a smart digital whiteboard with powerful whiteboarding software, creating an open ecosystem fortified by enterprise-grade data protection. Unleash your creativity with Vibe's cloud-based whiteboard, allowing you to ideate endlessly on an infinite canvas. Annotate PDFs and third-party apps effortlessly, and share your ideas with both on-site and remote teams. The 8M's response time ensures a natural and fluid writing experience, just like pen on paper. Revolutionize your meetings with Vibe's split-screen mode, where you can craft dynamic presentations, incorporate references from Chrome and YouTube, and keep an eye on your Zoom audience, all while taking notes that everyone can follow. Vibe's robust app ecosystem from the Vibe App Store enables you to leverage the tools your team already loves, priced at $3,199 US. Elevate your boardroom experience with the Samsung Flip 2 WM55R, ranked as the 4th best interactive smartboard on the market. This 55-inch WM55R digital flip chart is a game-changer for business meetings. Its stunning 4K UHD resolution display, 3840 by 2160 pixels, ensures that your content comes to life with unmatched clarity and vibrancy. But it's not just about visuals. The Samsung Flip 2 offers an immersive audio experience through its built-in speaker system, making presentations and discussions engaging and impactful. What truly sets this device apart is its exceptional writing experience. You'll feel like you're using traditional paper as you jot down ideas or sketch plans, yet everything is seamlessly digital. Collaboration has never been easier. The multi-touch screen allows up to 4 people to write simultaneously, fostering creativity and interactivity among team members. The Samsung Flip 2 is a dynamic tool that transforms mundane meetings into vibrant, idea-rich sessions. Priced at just $2,120 US, it's an investment in productivity and innovation that's worth every penny. Revolutionize the way you work with the Samsung Flip 2 and turn your meetings into creative powerhouses. Experience the future of interactive collaboration with the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, the pinnacle of smartboards. This all-in-one marvel seamlessly blends a stunning high-resolution touchscreen display with robust computing power. Fueling its performance is an Intel Core i5 processor and 8 GB of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and smooth operations. With a generous 128 GB SSD storage, data access is instant, and content storage is a breeze. Immerse yourself in a cinematic 50-inch touchscreen display boasting an astonishing 3840 by 2560 pixel resolution, guaranteeing crystal-clear visuals. Stay wire-free with seamless wireless connectivity, effortlessly bridging networks and devices. Elevate your workspace with the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, revolutionizing collaboration. Starting at $8,999 US, this cutting-edge innovation is an investment in your team's productivity and creativity. Upgrade your meeting room experience and unlock new possibilities today. Discover the pinnacle of interactive technology with the AG Neovo IFP 6503, crowned as the 2nd best interactive smartboard. Elevate your presentations and collaborations to new heights with this exceptional 65-inch interactive display, boasting 4K Ultra HD resolution for stunningly crisp visuals that captivate your audience. Unleash creativity with its 20-point multi-touch capability, allowing multiple users to write, draw, or interact simultaneously using their fingers or touch pens. The embedded MeetBoard whiteboarding app facilitates seamless annotations and note-taking, making brainstorming sessions a breeze. Connect effortlessly with the integrated USB Type-C port, enabling hassle-free laptop connectivity with just one cable. Screen sharing is a breeze, as the IFP6503 supports AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast mirroring from mobile devices. Priced at a competitive $2,199, this cutting-edge interactive smartboard is your gateway to a more engaging and productive workspace. Boasting 4K Ultra HD resolution for stunningly crisp visuals that captivate your audience. Say hello to the DTEN ME, your ticket to a superior home office experience. This is not just another interactive smartboard, it's the numero uno choice for those who demand excellence in remote collaboration. Zoom for home has never been this seamless and immersive. DTEN ME revolutionizes your home office by connecting you remotely with your teams while delivering a true in-office vibe. Say goodbye to clutter and visual distractions with customizable virtual backgrounds, ensuring you stay focused on what truly matters. This all-in-one collaboration device combines a digital whiteboard, interactive monitor, microphone array, HD camera, and speakers, all in a sleek 0.5-inch ultra-thin design. The smart camera optimizes your room's view, while crystal-clear audio, powered by DTEN Audio AI, ensures your meetings sound impeccable. With ultra-responsive multi-touch capabilities, whiteboarding and annotation are a breeze. Elevate your home office game with the DTEN ME, available at just $847. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the video. I love hearing from my viewers and getting your feedback. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.